Introducing the Analogue Compression Tester by Texcare Instruments Limited, a robust, reliable, and precision-built instrument designed to measure the compressive strength and load-bearing capacity of a wide range of materials. With its mechanical analog dial indicator, this tester provides clear, accurate, and immediate readings, making it an ideal choice for laboratories, manufacturing units, construction material testing, packaging testing, and educational institutions. Built with a heavy-duty frame, smooth loading mechanism, and high-sensitivity dial gauge, the Analogue Compression Tester delivers consistent performance even in demanding industrial environments. Whether you're testing rubber components, springs, corrugated boxes, plastic samples, foams, or construction materials, this instrument ensures dependable and repeatable results. Complies with key standards. Contact Texcare Instruments Limited today to learn how this tester can support your quality control and material evaluation needs.